How we got a 65,000 settlement for a shoulder injury in car accident. At Solution Law, we specialize in helping clients get the compensation they deserve after a car accident. Today, I will walk you through how we helped one of our clients to secure 65,000 settlement for a shoulder injury or rotator cuff tear caused by a car accident. Let's break down the process step by step. Our client was driving to work when another driver, distracted and speeding, rear-ended their vehicle. The impact caused a significant jolt and they immediately felt the pain in their shoulder. What initially seemed like a minor discomfort quickly escalated into something far more serious. A rotator cuff tear. A rotator cuff tear is a painful injury that limits mobility and can take months, even years to fully recover. For our client, this meant extensive physiotherapy, ongoing medical treatments, and an inability to work during their recovery. Our first step was gathering solid evidence. We worked closely with the medical professionals to document the full extent of injury. We obtained detailed reports from orthopedic specialists, physiotherapists, and pain management experts. Additionally, we collected proof of lost wages, future treatment costs, and emotional toll this injury had on our client's life. The insurance company initially offered a low settlement of $25,000, claiming the injury wasn't severe and that some of the costs were unrelated to the accident. But we didn't back down. We presented undeniable evidence that demonstrated the full impact of the injury, including a long-term implication for our client's work and daily life. Our key arguments were simple but effective. Number one, the rotator cuff tear was directly a result of the accident, backed by medical imaging and expert testimony. Second, the injury significantly impacted our client's ability to work, leading to months of lost income. Third, the ongoing pain and limited mobility required extensive treatment and future costs needed to be accounted for. Through persistence and strategic negotiation, we increased the settlement offer from $25,000 to $65,000. The amount covered all the medical expenses, compensated for the lost wages, and accounted for the pain and suffering caused by the accident. Most importantly, it gave our client the financial security they needed to focus on their recovery. Every case is unique, and at Solution Law, we are committed to fighting for what our clients deserve. If you or someone you know has been in a car accident, do not settle for less. Contact us today to discuss your case and let us help you achieve the justice you deserve.